Hello everybody, my name is Xander and this is Xander Does Finance. Today I've got a quick little video about this thing. This is the Coins Beasts completer coin, and it's finally come out in bullion, which is what I've been waiting for quite a while now, a very long time. So I got 3 in total. Thought I would unbox the other 2 on camera here. Chuck that over there. But yeah, look at that. Great if my camera would focus. I am saving up for a new camera, by the way. Yeah, look at that. Come on, let's get it real close. Yeah, there we go. Unfortunately on that one there seems to be a few marks, but look at that. So this is a £5 coin. That's the 11th in the 10 coins based set, and that's something actually that I sort of want to talk about today as well. So last year, I bought this. This is a box which is designed to store the set of 10 coins. Now I have a few of the coins, the Greyhound for example, which goes, let me find it there in the box. White Line of Mortimer, bottom there. I will move this back so you can see it. The White Horse of Hanover, which goes here, and Falcon of the Plantagenets, which is up here. So naturally I'm still missing a few coins in the set, but I'm trying my best to get the last few of those. But now with this 11th coin, I almost don't know what to do, because now the box is almost obsolete. I've got so many other things that I could use the space that this box has taken up, and instead it's now a waste. And while this would have originally probably added value to the set, I now think that it might even take value from the set, because I can't have this 11th coin inside the box with the rest of them. So I suppose that the thing to ask is there ever going to be another box, like a bigger box that they're going to release? I mean, this box isn't from the Royal Mint, it's actually from a third party. I'm not sure what company I bought it off, because it was quite a long time ago now. It must have been September last year sort of time, when I first started collecting the set. And I thought, oh yeah, it's a great purchase this, it's going to be fantastic for my collection. And now I think, oh dear, I've gone and wasted more than £50 on a box that isn't even going to add that value to the set. However, looking at the coin itself, I'm very, very impressed. This coin is pretty immaculate. Just the design, it has all of the 10 beasts on it, with the queen in the middle there. Yeah, it's definitely comparable to something like, say, the Britannia here. I think if they ever did a 1 ounce release of this, for example, like a yearly thing, I'd be on it every single year. I mean, what I'm really waiting for now is the 10 ounce version. Having a 10 ounce version of this coin would be fantastic, because it's, in my opinion, it's just the right size to get the most of both value, as in it's not too expensive, but it's not too cheap, and to make the most of the design too, because there's so much going on in there. Yeah, you've got all the beasts, the queen in the middle, and the extra dots and details. Having that on a 10 ounce coin would be fantastic. And I know there is a kilo coin out that they released, but I wasn't lucky enough to get my hands on one. And I think even if I was there in time to order one, I wouldn't have been able to order it, because they cost so much. So I really think 10 ounce is a good balance for me personally, of both of those factors, getting the most out of the design of the coin, while also being cost effective enough that I can actually buy it without breaking the bank. Is there anything else I think about the coin? Well, I'd love for them to do a yearly release in a similar way to what I think they're doing with the Robin Hood design, or in a similar way to, have I got anything up on the table here of the coat of arms? Yes, I do. There's one there. Coat of arms. This came out, I believe, for the first time that I saw it was last year, but I know they've probably been doing it for longer than that, and they seem to re-release it every year. The Valiant is another design that's obviously similar to the Sovereign, but I would really love for the Queen's Beast coin to become another one of these. It would really pay homage to what has been an incredible collection of coins, one of the best I think in the world that you can get your hands on, especially bullion. And I just think that releasing a coin like this every year would really sort of honour that in a similar way to the 10 coin proof set that was released a few weeks ago. I wasn't able to get my hands on one of those, but I will certainly be trying to get my hands on a secondary market one. Anyway, if you somehow made it to the end of this quick little video, I appreciate you watching to the end. If you want to see more, stay up to date, you can follow my Instagram. The link for that will be in the description. And if you want to subscribe to the YouTube, that's also okay. But it's obviously completely up to you. I'm running on a sort of a skeleton system at the moment with the camera and the microphone, but I can assure you that that is getting worked on, and I will have a better setup hopefully in the near future. But we'll see as the bits for that start arriving and I start being able to get the equipment that I want at a good price. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.